Reading has significant number of benefits. It raises your analytical thinking skills, revamps your knowledge, expands your vocabulary, and can also increase your brain's memory power. Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. Books train your imagination to think big. Finding time to read books when you're indulged in digital world of social media is hard. Welcome to INV Tech, and in this video let's look at one of the best apps which can help you to read non-fiction books. The app that we are discussing today is called Blinkist. This is the app that provides the key insights of non-fiction books into smaller packages called as blinks. You have options to either read or listen to the summary of the book through this app. The app has a minimal and ad-free UI. The free version of the app provides summary of a random book each day. The paid version unlocks extra features like picking any book from the library of 3000 plus titles. You can start reading by clicking on the Read Blinks button. Each blink is a self-contained narrative which has vital points that are covered in the book. You can scroll left to right to switch between the blinks. The app also has a progress bar at the bottom of the screen, and the full book summary can be completed in less than 15 minutes. The audiobook feature provided in the app is what makes it stand out from other similar apps like Get Abstract and 12 Minutes. The blinks are narrated in different voices with good pace, and the audio quality is also top-notch.
Social media has been weaponized. Authoritarian governments around the world control armies of bots and fake accounts. Their purpose? More often than not, it's to harass journalists and sow doubt about the work of dissidents. But it's not just dictators who use digital weaponry. Democracies aren't immune either.
In the last 2 years of my usage, this app helped me to build a habit of listening to audio summaries from various categories like entrepreneurship, time management, and self-help while commuting to work. Blinkist app shouldn't be considered as a complete alternative to reading, but it can be used as a pre-scanner app to determine your purchasing decision of getting the full version of the book or not. Give this app a try and do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you.